In this demo, we're going to look at something that I personally deal with quite a bit. I like to do my budgeting in Google Sheets, and when I'm doing my budgeting, I'm often looking at line items for my credit card, and then I'm categorizing them into a fixed set of categories that I have a monthly budget for. So in this case, I've pulled CSV out of my city card, and that has given me a bunch of line items here with the description as well as the amount, and we want to put each of these items into this fixed set of categories that we have here. So I have food, transportation, clothing, groceries, etc. So here we'll use the second function that I've built, which is called categorize. So the first argument for categorize is the list of fixed categories that you want to categorize into, and then the text that we want to categorize. So let's do that. We pick the cell, and I'm going to fix this because when we drag it down, we want to make sure that the categories stay fixed. So the first one worked, and Il Bambino is actually a restaurant, so somehow it got it right. It guessed it as food. Let's see how good it is for the rest of the items that we have here. Awesome. So we see that some of these are right. For these Amazon, it just categorizes as other, and looks generally pretty good. There's a seamless one. Even though it's classifying this seamless order as food as correctly, it's not categorizing this one as food. The other cool thing you could do with categorize is there's a third parameter, which is rules. And what rules is essentially is you can define a set of rules and then have GPT-3 take that into account. So let's say our rules here are going to be anything that contains seamless. We know that's always going to be categorized as food. So let's say that. And then anything that contains Amazon is categorized as groceries because that's classification that I would like. So now that we have this set of rules, all we have to do is include these rules, and let's fix these again. And see how it works. And there you go. Now Seamless is getting classified as food. Amazon's getting classified as groceries. One more way that this could be even better is, honestly, you could make this Google each of these line items and take the description or the first thing returned by the search and then feed that to GPT-3. And I'm sure we could get it to like really high accuracy rates, probably 95 to 99% accuracy rates if we just do something like that.